G'day guys, what have we got here? We've obviously got the new 38 fork from Fox, which slots right in between their 36 fork and their 40, which being their downhill fork. So this is their biggest single crown fork in the market. Top to bottom, that still runs a 15mm through axle, so it doesn't run a 20mm through axle like the downhill fork. It is available in a bolted like the one we have here, or in quick release as well. So the suckers we've got here are 170mm. They do come available from 160mm up to 190mm, and obviously they come in the two different wheel sizes, being the 27.5 and 29-inch wheel as well. This thing has high low speed rebound dampening. It also has high speed compression dampening, and it's obviously got the new air spring from Fox, so they have upgraded the internals of this fork as well, which is a little bit different from yesteryear. The main difference I find, previously, personally, I found that Fox had a little bit more of a mechanical feel and it wasn't as supple over that sort of light trail chatter. However, this fork here is in a completely different ball game. It is super stiff, however super plush off the top. It provides plenty of mid-stroke support, plenty of adjustability. Some other forks on the market are probably a little bit easier to set up. These are a little bit more refined, so they do take a little bit more time to get them perfect. But once you've got them dialed, trust me, these things are the absolute goods. One of our little cool features we should probably touch on is the little exit valve, I'll call it, in the back of the fork. So if you're riding high altitude and whatnot as well, and you're getting a little bit air in the bottom of your fork as well, you can actually bleed the fork in the back of the fork, which was previously on the Fox 40, however now it comes on the actual 38s. Reason for that is so you haven't got any air in the bottom of the fork, so when the fork compresses you're going to get all the travel as well. So that's another really cool feature about this fork as well. So if you want to check out all the range of Fox suspension products, be sure to check out everything at Pushys online.